Hi guys, a very warm welcome to all of you. I hope you guys are all excited about this session. If you're all ready for it, let me know in the chat by giving me a thumbs up guys, quickly. Hi Science Priya, welcome. Kesavan Raja, welcome. Tanuja Baloni, welcome. Nice to meet all of you over here. Mohil is also here. Very good evening to all of you. Hi Venisha, welcome. Azrar, welcome man. Mohammad Abdullah is also here. Guys, before we get started, let me tell you very important news. There are two important news which I want to talk about. The first one is this lecture might take a bit long. I'm gonna take it for a longer time. So I hope all of you are ready for it. Hi Kiran, yes Kiran, I can see your chat. Okay, I can see your chat. And guys, the first news is I'm going to take it for a long time because I want to cover each and every concept in statistics. So if you see this lecture fully, you will get full marks in your statistics. I can guarantee you that. Your question in your JEE Mains will not come outside from what I teach today. Got it? So if you attend the session fully, you're going to be guaranteed of 4 marks. I can assure you of all that. Okay, so that is the first news. I'll most probably take it for 1 hour 15 minutes, probably 1 hour 30 minutes, like that. Not very long, don't worry. I will let you guys sleep. So that is the first news. Hi Solar Pharma, welcome. Manvi, Jagadish, Kirito is also here, welcome. Anisha, yes. Muhil, welcome man. How many questions in statistics? You get 1 question every year. Okay, yes man. Mohammed, after a long time. Got it? So welcome guys, all of you. Today it's a very important discussion. I am gonna teach statistics, and if you guys are not aware of it, don't worry, I will give you a little bit of theory also. So it's gonna be a slow session and we will do everything slowly. That is why I'm not gonna shout too much, because if I shout too much then my energy will not be there at the end. Okay, so that is why I'm trying to talk a bit lower. And the second important news which I want to talk to you guys about is, I'm sure everyone has seen that. So guys, there is some problem in YouTube, and one of our co-teachers in the community of YouTube, I'm sure you guys have seen Edu Mantra, isn't it? So Edu Mantra's Sanjeev sir is having some problem because this channel monetization was stopped. So that means he cannot make money from YouTube. Like, that's how it works. So if you can support him in any way, if you can share it to your friends, definitely please do that, because he is also one among us and he has been putting a lot of energy in YouTube. He has been teaching you guys for a long time. Okay, so definitely help him out and do spread the word. Got it? So let's get started. So coming back to this lecture, guys, my name is Shimon Joseph and I teach maths at Vedantu, and I've been teaching for almost 7 years now. And to talk about my background, I did my BTech from IIT Madras. I studied there for 5 long years, and when I was like you guys, I wrote KVPY, I wrote JEE Mains. In JEE Mains, I was a state topper in Tamil Nadu. I will talk about that one day. And this is my Instagram. If you guys are there, if you guys want to be closer to me, you can follow me there. Okay, and starting off with today's lecture. So today I want to show you guys the weekly schedule. We are over here, JEE Mains previous year's questions. Tomorrow I'm going to take circles. I'm going to go to circles advanced level problem solving. Okay, and then I'm going to go to trigonometry KVPY essay. Guys, please be there at these sessions because they're all for you guys. This is for 11th standard trigonometry. So make sure you guys are present. Saturday and Sunday, I'm going to do area under curves. Got it? Hi Archana, welcome. I hope you are having good internet access today. Hi Solar Pharma, welcome man. Yes Solar, I would say 100% to cover a good percentile. Yes. Bhargav, welcome. Because Venisha, Shreyas sir was planning to take the CBSE board exam announcement. So he was supposed to take at 4. But the minister did not come live today. He's going to come live on 22nd. So that is why the 4 PM session got cancelled. Yes, Kirito, that's awesome. Hi, Harishankar, welcome, man. Brilliant, brilliant. Exactly, Archana. Don't worry. Guys, like I promised, today's class is gonna be the most important session of this channel so far, at least from the math side, because you will guaranteed get 4 marks in your JEE Mains if you listen to me carefully. As simple as that. Okay, as simple as that. I have told it very clearly. So this is going to be a slightly longer session. I'm going to take it for 1.5 hours. So that is why my voice is a bit slow. I don't want to strain myself too much. Then I end up losing my voice. So let's keep it low paced and we will do it slowly. Got it? Hi Nainika, Muhil, welcome, welcome, welcome guys. Perfect. So let's get started. I'll tell it in all the language. Shuru karte hain fir. Okay. How was that? That is good, right? Aramiklamma. In Telugu, what do you say for that? I forgot. Okay. Yes, ANC, BNC, welcome man. So guys, let's get started. Chaliye shur karte hain. Correct. That's perfect. So let's get started. So guys, the first and the foremost thing which everybody knows and everybody wants to study in statistics is central tendency. So what is statistics? Statistics is one of the most important topics. I don't want to bore you guys with details, but everybody wants good money, right? You want to earn lot of money. Like when you get good placement, you're asking, sir, will computer science give me good placement? Will IIT Madras give me good placement? Everybody thinks about it. So because of that, I'm going to tell you something very interesting, because I studied in IIT Madras and I graduated very recently. I passed out few years back. So I know what is happening in this field. So one of the most demanded field in the world currently is the field of data science. For example, you type in Google something and in Facebook you will get recommendations of that. Have you seen that happen? So 3 days back I was checking something out. So I was trying to buy some gym workout equipment. I wanted to get fit and have some abs like all of you dream of. So I checked it out in Amazon. And when I came to my Facebook, I was recommended all that. So how does that work? That is called as data science. They collect data, they see what you are doing online, and based on that they recommend. So it might look like a very easy, simple thing, but a lot of algorithm goes behind. So data science is gonna be a lot dependent on this subject, statistics. Okay, so your statistics has got a lot of cool stuff, but what I'm going to teach you today is very basic, maybe the foundation for what you will do in college. Got it? Got it? Okay, perfect. So now, exactly. Now let's come back to topic. So what is central tendency and why do we have to look at it? Okay, so first of all, if I give you some random data, you will have no idea. For example, let us say in our classroom, let's say this is a classroom, and let's say we have students from 10th standard to 12th standard. Let's say the tallest guy in this class is 6.5 feet. That's impossible. I think Indians 6.5, I have not seen anybody. So let's say 6.2 feet. So you guys tell me, sir, the tallest guy in our class is Kirito, 6.2 feet. But does that give me any idea about the entire data? No. Are you guys able to understand? Because if you say 6.2 feet, I can think that everybody is above 6 feet. But when you give something like a central tendency, let us say, sir, the average height of our class is 5.5. Then I can understand. I can understand that most of the people are around 5.5 feet. So that is the importance of central tendency. And the 3 most important central tendency which we will study are mean, median and mode. Okay. Hi Nitish, welcome man. Okay. So please listen carefully. Mean is nothing but average. Average is nothing but sum of everything divided by total number. As simple as that. Are you guys able to understand that? Mean is nothing but sum of everything divided by the total number of observation, which is nothing but the average. Got it? So if I give you the marks which I got in my 12th standard, you guys should be able to calculate the average. Very simple. So you will add all of that up and divide it by 5. That will give you the average. As simple as that. Okay, that everybody can do. Median is what? Median is the middlemost quantity when you arrange in ascending order or descending order. Please tell. No guys. I was just giving an example. So what is median? Median is the middlemost quantity when you arrange in ascending order or descending order. You have to arrange in order. So when you talk about median, please remember you have to arrange in order. If you do not arrange in order, you are going to have a problem. You will go wrong 100%. Are you all clear? Everybody, welcome. Hi Sonu, welcome man. Mode is very easy. We all love mode because mode is the easiest to find. It is the most frequently repeated data in our observation. Got it? As simple as that. Everybody is clear with that, guys? Everyone is fine? Brilliant, brilliant, brilliant. Okay, so let me give you an example. I'll give you my marks only. So my marks were English 91, I think Physics 95, Chemistry 95, Maths 99 and Computer Science 97. So these are my marks from my 12th standard board exam, CBSE. So if I ask you to find the mean, what is the mean? The mean is nothing but 477 by 5, which is 95.4. Okay, and what is the median? So if I want to find median, I need to arrange it in ascending order. So ascending order will be 91, 95, 95 and then 97, 99. So the middlemost number is nothing but 95. So my median is 95. And what is my mode? My mode is also equal to 95 because 95 is repeated twice. So that is how you figure out mean, median and mode. Very simple. Yes, Olivia, it is the same statistics. Got it? Yes, Syed Ali, tell me man. Okay, are you all clear with this, guys? Perfect. So let us move forward. Let us move forward to the next one. I'm gonna show you the properties of mean. So mean is going to be changing when you add or subtract or divide or multiply something to all the observation. Are you all clear? So let me explain that to you. So let us say you have observation x1, x2 till xn and your mean is x bar. Now if I add a to all the observation, do you guys agree the mean will also become x bar plus a? Very simple. Very simple. Are you guys clear with it? And if I subtract, it is going to be minus a. So if I multiply a to all the numbers, then it is going to be ax bar. That is how your mean changes. So if I divide by a, the mean will also be divided by a. Are you guys clear? So that is what I wrote first property. If each observation is added, subtracted, multiplied or divided by some constant, then the resultant mean is also added, subtracted, multiplied or divided by the same number to the original mean. That's it. Okay, that's it. Are you all clear with it? Brilliant, brilliant, brilliant. And now the sum of the deviation of each value from the mean is always 0. If you find the sum of deviation of all the numbers from the mean, it will always be 0. What do you mean by deviation? What do you mean by deviation? Deviation means xi minus x bar. So if you sum it up, they are saying it is equal to 0. And that's obviously true because sum of all xi's is equal to n into x bar minus this will be again n into x bar. Obviously it has to be 0. Got it? Because this is the mean deviation sum, right? Sum of deviation from the mean is nothing but every observation minus the mean. So if I add all of it up, it has to be 0 because you sum it up. No, sigma xi is nx bar because we know that sigma xi by n is equal to mean. We know that. So if I multiply n to the other side, sigma xi is equal to nx bar minus sigma of x bar. How many times? From I equal to 1 to n. So I equal to n to 1. This is a constant, so it will be nx bar. So it will be 0. Are you guys clear with it, everybody? Any questions that you have now? Anisha, did you understand it? Okay, so that is the second property which I gave. And the third one, I hope you guys know it. You can just take it down. So if you have two groups like n1, x1, x1 bar is the mean of the first group, x2 bar is the mean of the second group, n1 is the number of people in the first group, n2 is the number of people in the second group, then the total mean is equal to n1 x1 plus n2 x2 by n1 plus n2. Just like how you find the atomic mass of isotopes, you know, Cl 35.5. You know that, right? Cl 37 and Cl 35 are present in 75:25 ratio. Got it? So just like that, we are doing this over here. Are you all clear with that? Yes, Venisha, there's time constraints, that's why. Everybody clear? Exactly. So let's move forward. Let's try to take a question. Please do it. This is the latest year question 2020 and you guys can solve it with just what I taught you now. Isn't that awesome? So like this, we are going to do many wonderful questions. So guys, like I said, it's going to be a slightly longer session. So make up your mind for it. But this can help you get 4 marks assured. And I'm going to teach every concept in a detailed manner so that you guys have fun. At the same time, we'll learn together. Got it? I'll try to make it as interactive as possible so that you guys can enjoy the session and not feel sleepy. Okay? Very good, Umar. Please try to solve it, guys. Yashashwini, welcome. Yes, it is great, man. I hope you guys are also having fun. So everybody try to solve it and complete it before we move forward. Please do it. It is hazy. Anisha, did you check your settings? Can you please make it to high resolution? Or is it hazy for everybody? Can everybody see the question? I hope there is no problem in that. Everybody? Can you guys please respond quickly so that I know that everybody is okay with it and then we can proceed. Hi Kunal, welcome man. So Anisha, I think everybody is able to see. Please check it. Supraja is also saying that it's fine. Okay, great. So did anybody solve it or you guys want me to do it? So I will get started. No problem, Anisha, that's totally fine. I will help you while I'm explaining this. So this was an integer type question in JEE Mains. So I hope all of you know that 2020 there were integer questions and you can get integer type questions this year as well. Very good, Tejaswini. Tejaswini is absolutely right because guys, the answer is 6. The answer is 6. So how do I do it? We know that mean is equal to sigma fi xi divided by sigma fi. So can I say it is nothing but 0 into nc0 plus 2 into nc1 plus 2 square into nc2 all the way up to 2 power n ncn. Isn't that correct? Divided by what is the frequency? The frequency is nc0 plus nc1 all the way up to ncn. Was this difficult? This is a formula we learned in our 10th standard. I'm sure you guys are aware of it. I'm pretty sure you guys are aware of it. Yes, Kunal Rai, absolutely. Today I taught it from the basics, so you should have come a bit earlier. no problem, try to continue from here so that you can revise it in one go. Hi Nitish, that's awesome, man. So guys, the denominator is 2 power n. Everybody agrees with me on that? Because the sum of all the binomial coefficients starting from NC0 to NCn is nothing but 2 power n. Everybody has understood that because we did it in class. I taught you binomial theorem. At least I gave you this formula. So you should be remembering that, isn't it? Now, how do I sum this up? Now, this is also a very, very funny, very known expression if you look at it carefully. Because that is nothing but 1 plus 2 power n. How, sir? Open it. It will be NC0 into 1 plus NC1 into 2 plus NC2 into 2 square all the way up to NCn into 2 power n. So only thing is I don't have this because here it is 0. So I will take it to the other side. So that is my answer, which will be 1 plus 2, 3 to the power n minus 1. Why minus 1? Because NC0 into 1 is 1. And that is 728 by 2 power n. Why? Because it is given in the question. So 2 power n cancel. So 3 power n is equal to 728 plus 1, which is 729, which is 3 power 6. So n is equal to 6. That is how you solve it. Okay? Did you guys like that? Everybody? This is statistics, Abhijit. It involves binomial theorem. So I think you may not be knowing it. But no worries. If you are interested, you can just pay attention. Anisha, did you get it? Guys, so how is the Josh now? Did you all like it? This was a very interesting question, guys. I'm sure you should have had fun. Did you guys have fun? Very good, Tejaswini. That is awesome. So guys, we are learning some cool concepts. So it will be a struggle in the initial phase. Don't worry. This is gonna reap a lot of benefits for you. Okay? No problem, Olivia. That's awesome, guys. Very, very good. Anisha, no problem. If you can manage, then great. If not, no worries. You can always check it out later. So guys, I have attached the solution completely and you guys will get it in the description of the video tomorrow afternoon because the team would have gone to sleep by now. So tomorrow afternoon, you guys will get the session PDF. Okay? So let's move forward. This is the next question and I want you guys to try it out. Very simple. Again, basic application of mean, and it was asked in the year 2015. Okay, so these are all latest JEE Mains question. I want everybody to try it out. This I think you should be able to do it. Okay, so if you are decently prepared for JEE Mains, I feel you guys should be able to do this question. So please try it out and see if you can solve it. And if you're not able to do it, don't worry, I'm here. I'm going to guide you to the answer. But make an effort. An effort is all I expect. Okay, very good, Archana. That's awesome. So looks like you're preparing for JEE full-fledged. Okay, great. So everybody ready? Hi Vidhi Arora, welcome. Okay, Archana, that's good. So shall we solve it? Everybody ready to solve this question along with me? So Tejaswini says B. Magical paintbrush. Venisha says B. That's absolutely right because the answer is option B. Kirito says wait. So others, what do you say? Sonu says C. Sonu, that's not correct. Yes, Kirito, please try it out. Aishwarya, very good Aishwarya, that's brilliant. Kiran has also got it. Very good Kiran, that's brilliant. That's absolutely right. So guys, how do we do this? A data has 16 observations and the mean is 16. So can I say sigma xi by 16 is equal to 16? So can I say sigma xi is equal to 256? Are you all clear with that? Are you all clear with that? Everybody? Yes? So now what do we want? We are removing one value from this. I am removing 16. So I have to subtract 16. So the sum will become 240. So now 240 is there and 15 observations are there. Did you all understand that? 240 is the sum and 15 observations are there. Why 15 observations? Because from 16 observations, I am removing one observation, which is 16. So the number of observation will now become 15. Now I am adding 3 more observations, which is 3 plus 4 plus 5, and that is 3 more observation. So totally 18 observation. So I have to divide by 18 to get the mean, the new mean. And that will be how much? That will be 252 by 18, and that is equal to 14. And that is why the answer is option B. I hope you guys liked it. Everybody clear? Yes guys, all of you are clear with this. If you have any doubt, feel free to ask so that I can help you and I can clarify your doubts. Shall we proceed, everybody? Yes? Great guys, awesome. So, any doubts? No? Perfect. Very good, Pratyush. That's awesome, man. Yes, Vidhi Arora. It is actually easy. Some of the things are easy, definitely. So, this was one of the questions asked in 2015 and it is from mean. That is why I think the 10th standard people are also finding it very easy. Got it? But don't worry, slowly I'll increase the level. We will move into concepts like variance, concepts like mean deviation, concepts like standard deviation, which many of you may not be knowing. That is why I told everybody wait for it, because the 12th standard guys, if you listen to this lecture fully, you're gonna get 4 marks for sure. Okay? That is a promise from my side. Now coming to the next part. Very, very good, Olivia. That's awesome. Brilliant, Anisha. Great. So guys, now coming to mean deviation. What is mean deviation? Mean deviation is nothing but all the deviation from the mean, and I should take it with the modulus. Because if I don't put modulus, that is 0, right? I just taught you. You guys remember that, no? The mean deviation, if I take without the modulus, it will be equal to 0, because the sum of all deviations from the mean is always 0. So to avoid that becoming 0, I put a modulus. So why is this important? This is important to understand how spread out my data is. How spread out my data is. For example, if I have a class, let's say I have a class 12th standard A section. Okay, 12th standard A section. Got it? So I am the principal. I am coming to the class and I'm asking the class teacher, what is the height of students in your class? So your class teacher says, sir, the height is around, let's say average is around 6 feet. So the principal is like, wow, that's great. A lot of people in my school, in my class drink a lot of Complan, I guess. The next day principal comes and sees the same class, okay, and he sees a 4 feet guy entering the class. The 4 feet guy is very quickly entering the class. So I stop that guy and I'll ask, why are you cheating? Why are you going into this 12th class? I know all the students are 6 feet. So you are definitely not part of the class. Can I say that? That means the principal is not very well educated. Okay. So because the average is 6 feet. So even though there's a 4 feet guy, there might be someone who is 6.5, 6.6, 6.7 to compensate for this. There might be who is 6.5, 6.5, 6.6 to compensate for this 4 feet guy. So that is why the average is 6. So because of these confusions, you need a better quantity other than mean. You need a very better quantity other than mean. So that is where your mean deviation comes into picture. So now if I go to the class, I am the principal and now I am a slightly educated principal. So I go to the class and the class teacher says, sir, the average height is 6 feet. Now the principal is like, no ma'am, I studied little bit. So now I'll ask, what is the deviation about the mean? So she will say, sir, the deviation is half a feet. So I know the students are mostly between 5.5 to 6.5. So that is the brilliant understanding of spread of data. Got it? So that is the brilliant understanding of spread of data. So that tells me how spread out my data is. Okay, so that is what we are doing here. So let us say I'll take the same example. I got my marks in 12th standard CBSE as 91, 95, 95, 97, 99. Okay. So now if I want to measure mean deviation, it is equal to, what is my mean? My mean is 95.4. So my mean deviation is equal to 91 minus 95.4 modulus plus 95 minus 95.4 plus 95 minus 95.4 plus 97 minus 95.4 and then 99 minus 95.4 divided by 5. That is my mean deviation. Are you all clear with it? Are you guys clear with it? Yes? Sudhir, if you want a more organized thing, I would really recommend the Vedantu crash course, man. Okay, I will talk about it. Give me some time. I'll come to that. I'll explain. I'll always suggest you something which is good for you. I'll not tell you something which is unnecessary. So wait for it. I'll come to that. So did you guys understand? This is how you find out the mean deviation. So please don't forget your modulus, okay? Because if you don't put modulus, it makes no sense. Clear? Jay Ajinkya, you will get one question pakka from this chapter. So that is why we are struggling to get that one question. Everybody please solve it. Hi NEET tutorial box, welcome. Hi Nagashri Hari, welcome man. Nice to have you here. So guys, everybody try this out and I will talk about the crash course in a short while once we complete a certain level of questions. Okay? So please do it guys, all of you. Yes, Kirito, you're right. So mean deviation about the median I want. Okay, it is about the median, so be careful. First figure out what is the median and then do it. Don't randomly do something. Yes, Sonu, take care man, no worries. We'll meet tomorrow. So guys, what is the median? Did anybody do that? No problem, Sakshi. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm glad that you guys are following it sincerely. That is awesome. Guys, definitely spread the word also. Like I always say, your help is the most important one because your power is amazing. Students' power is next level. And if you guys share and if you guys think you can make anything viral. Okay, so that help we'll need from you. Yes, Pankaj, we will check it. You are right, Pankaj. I think you're right. Answer is option A. Got it? So guys, let's first figure out what is the median. You guys are absolutely right. Aishwarya, that's brilliant. The median is 51/2. Did you all get that? Did you all get that? So the median is gonna be 25.5A. Yes, Kiran. Okay. Got it. Everybody clear with this? How did I get this? The middlemost quantity. Now everybody will tell me, sir, middlemost is 25 only now. Why 25.5? Guys, you have even number of data. For example, if you have 1, 2, 3, 4, what is the median? Median is the average of these two. Median is the average of these two. Are you all clear? So it is not 25. So what is the middlemost number? The middlemost will be 24A, 25A, 26A. So what will be the median? Can you guys think about it? It will be 26A plus 25A/2 because these two will be the middlemost quantities. Are you all able to understand that? These two will be the middlemost quantities. I hope you guys are clear with that. So that is why it is 25.5. Okay, so that is how you find the median. So median is done. Now I need to find the deviation. So mean deviation is equal to every observation minus the median. So A minus 25.5A. And then you have 2A minus 25.5A. All the way up to, you will have 50 minus 25.5A. Isn't that correct? So what will you have? You will have 24.5A plus you will have 23.5A all the way up to 0.5A, and that will be into 2. That will be into 2 because it will come lower, 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 and again it will increase. Are you all clear with this, everybody? Very good, Pratyush, that's absolutely right. So that is my mean deviation, which is equal to 50, I guess, divided by 50. So 50 into 50 is 2500. 2500 is equal to, this is an arithmetic progression. So arithmetic progression with how many terms? It has 50 terms. So it will be n by 2 into a plus an. First term plus last term, which will be 25a into 2. Are you guys clear with it? Everybody? How many terms do I have? I have 25 terms only, right? Yes, Kirito, you're right. It is only 25 terms, not 50 terms. Because I am doing into 2, right? So this 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. So this 25 will cancel with 4 times. So A is equal to 4, and that is your answer. Did you guys like that, everybody? Did you guys like that? Was it difficult? Was it difficult? So simple, just based on the logic of mean deviation about the median. So mean deviation can be of 2 types. One mean deviation can be about the mean itself, or you can have mean deviation about the median. Got it? So that is how we did it. If you guys have any question, please feel free to ask, because I don't want anyone going back to your house with some questions in your head. Very good, Anisha. Very good, Olivia. You guys are awesome. Keep it up. Now let's move forward to the next one. Now we are coming to business. So please listen carefully, guys. Hi, Shri Charan. Welcome, man. Nice to see you. How did we get to summation of AP? And if you're talking about the other 2, it is because it will be repeated Senthur's Veil. Senthur's Veil, what you have to do is you have to write it down. You will see the terms repeating. So that is why I multiplied by 2. Got it? You write it down on your own, you will observe it. Okay? Vidhi Arora, I am not very sure. You will have to check out KR Abhishek sir's lectures on YouTube. So he would have definitely mentioned the link for joining those courses. Okay? Very good, very good. So guys, let's come back to topic and look at variance and standard deviation. So variance and standard deviation are also measures of central spread. They are also measures of spread of data. How spread out your data is about your mean. If the variance is very high, that means your data is spread very far away from the mean. Got it? Like the example I gave you. 6 feet was the mean, but there is a 4 feet guy also in the class. That means the variance is very high. If there is 6 feet average, but the guys are all above 5.9, 5.8, then that means the variance is small. Are you guys clear? Yes, Karthikeyan, the crash courses are all in English. We have English as well as Hindi. Some students are comfortable in Hindi, so they join the Hindi crash course. So you can choose that. I will talk about it. Just give me some time. Yes, Sudhir, this is for your 12th JEE. 12th JEE Mains I'm teaching. Okay, listen carefully. So guys, variance is also just like mean deviation. In mean deviation, you have xi minus x bar, where we enforce the modulus, right? So what can be another way of making this positive? By squaring it. Don't you guys agree? So that is how you calculate variance. So variance is also nothing but how spread out your data is, and this is how it is calculated. The deviation from the mean of every observation, you square it, you sum it up and then divide it by n. So usually people don't use this, they use this formula. Guys, this is very, very, you keep saying very important. Okay? Please know the second formula. It is very, very important. You will get an assured one question from this. Okay? So make sure you know it. Guys, I'm very serious. This is very important. You need to know this. Got it? So that derivation you can read it in NCERT. I'm not going to do that. The derivation is very simple. You can check it out in NCERT. It is given over there. Okay. So now, what is standard deviation? Standard deviation is nothing but the square root of variance. Standard deviation is nothing but the square root of variance. As simple as that. Okay. Please write the second formula. So I will write it down. So variance of any data set X is equal to sigma xi square by n minus mean of that data set square. Okay, so this is the second formula. Because what is this? Sigma xi by n is nothing but x bar, na? This term is nothing but x bar. So that is what I have written over here. An alternative form which can help you solve faster. Okay? And what is standard deviation? Standard deviation is nothing but square root of variance. And standard deviation is given the symbol sigma. Sigma is the symbol used for standard deviation. Very important. Okay? Are you all clear? Shall we move forward, guys? Everybody? Yep. Okay, great. So let us move ahead and try to have a look at the question over here. This is a very fun question I always take in my classes at Vedantu. So please try it out and tell me what do you think is the answer. N is summation of Fi? Yes, Pratyush, absolutely, man. It is nothing but the number of observations, total number of observations. Yes, Kirito, that's absolutely right. Everybody is saying, sir, variance is the answer, sir. Sir, Wi-Fi limit is gone. Really? That's very unfortunate. You have to switch to mobile data or else you have to check the recording out. Try to check mobile data. If it is not possible, no worries. Archana, you can maybe watch it again. So what is the answer? Guys, of course the answer is variance. Of course the answer is variance. Why? I will prove it to you. So let us say in our class I am conducting a test. Let's say a Menti quiz. And let's say Kiran scores 15 marks. And let's say Kirito scores 25. And let's say there's one more person. Let's say who's the regular one? Anisha. Anisha, say, let's say she scores 25. And then we have any regular comers, guys? Venisha. Okay, Venisha is here. Let's say Venisha scores 35. So this is out of 100. So they score this much out of 100. This is Venisha, this is Kiran, this is Kirito, and this is Anisha. Okay. So now I feel bad for them because they scored very pathetic. And I feel bad that they learned maths from me and they are still scoring this much. Okay. So what I do is I give them grace marks. So I'm feeling bad and I'm giving them, okay, let me just change the code of Menti and I'll give all of them plus 10. Okay, so if I give all of them plus 10, okay, my light was about to fall. 1 second, let me arrange it. Yup. So the scores become 45, 25, 35 and 35. Okay, so what was the mean earlier? The mean earlier was how much? It is 50 plus 50, 100 by 4, right? So the mean earlier was 25. Now what do you think will be the mean? Now the mean will be 35. Don't you guys agree? Because you are adding 45 plus 25 plus 35 plus 35 by 4, which will be 35. And so guys, the mean is changing. So guys, the mean is changing. Yes. So definitely A is not the answer. Now what is the mode here? The mode here is 25 because that is repeated 2 times. And here the mode is 35. So the mode is also getting changed. So definitely mode is also wrong. The median here, if I arrange in ascending order, it is nothing but 25. So the median here is 25. And if I arrange in ascending order, the median here is 35. So the median is also changing. So obviously the answer is variance. Got it? Very simple. So variance, if you calculate it, it will not change. You can do that as a assignment. You guys can take the same readings and you can do it. Got it? Very simple. This make sure you guys understand it and you guys really learn it carefully. Chandran, favorite place, I don't know, man. I have not been to many places, but I recently saw Lucifer of, who's that? Mohanlal, and I really loved it. I kind of really liked him in the movie. Exactly, yeah. Hi Shashant, welcome man. Yes, it asked in 2013. So let's go forward and look at this question. So guys, this is a question which was repeated 3 times in a recent exam. So this was asked in the year 2020, and this is why I said the variance formula is very important. So please take it down and try to do it, guys. This is very, very important. Don't ever forget it. Okay, please try to do it. Sudhir, I will talk about everything, Sudhir. I'm going to give you all the links. You can check it out in the description and you can join us. We would be more than happy to have you. No problem, Archana. Take care. We'll meet you again tomorrow. So guys, can you all try to solve it? Yes, everybody. Dairya, but yes, tell me, don't feel depressed. I always suggest start with easy things. You are in 11th only, Dairya, you have time. So make an effort and eventually you will make it. Okay. So that effort is very important. Yes, Archana, take care. Good night. And guys, let's try to solve this question. So do you all agree that every observation is subtracted by P? If every observation is subtracted by P, then it doesn't matter. The variance of this data set and the variance of this data set will be the same, because variance will not change if you are changing everything by the same number. Did you guys understand that? Exactly, Sricharan. Variance will not change if you add a constant to all the observations. That is what I showed you earlier, right? I gave grace marks to everybody, same grace marks. Did the variance change? No. So variance does not depend on addition or subtraction of a constant to all the numbers. So if I want to find the variance of this observation, I can just find out the variance of xi minus p. That's good enough. So variance is equal to sigma xi minus p whole square by 10, because there are totally 10 observations, minus xi minus p sigma by 10 whole square. So how much will that be? That will be equal to standard deviation square. So standard deviation square is equal to, I will get 9 by 10 minus, I will get 3 by 10 whole square, which will be 9 by 100. That will be equal to, into 10, if I do 90 minus 9, which will be 81 by 100. So sigma square is 81 by 100. So sigma will be 9 by 10. Was it easy? Did you guys like it? So this is again a very good concept. You see why it was repeated so many times. It was repeated 3 times, guys, in JEE Mains. The very same concept. The very same concept was repeated. Very good, Anisha. That's brilliant. I hope all of you have liked this question. You guys have understood it. So if you are all ready, then let's move forward to the next one. Yup. All of you clear with this, guys? Brilliant. So let us move forward and try to have a look at what else I have in store. Very good, very good. So let's talk about the crash course. So this is something which everybody wants to hear, and I feel I should spend some time here. So guys, the exam is on Feb 22nd, 23rd, I think 23rd, right? So you have almost 2 full months and a half month left. So even if you're starting now, so there are many people who are struggling, sir, I'm just now starting to study. I want to join a regular course. See, in YouTube, all of us do our best. We try to put in our best energy. We love you guys and we come here at odd times. We come at 11, we come at 4, we come at 1, 7:30 in the morning, 11 o'clock in the morning, up to 10, 11 p.m. at night. Okay. So if you guys are comfortable with YouTube, that's great. But if you want to be a part of an organized system, then definitely you need to check out the crash course, because please listen that if you are in YouTube, there is no test series, there is no organized teaching. So I will teach what everybody wants. Got it? Everybody is getting it. So if you guys are wanting a specific pattern, sir, I want from starting to end, correctly I want teachers to teach, sir, then it's better you get enrolled in a crash course, because YouTube is always free. You can enroll in a crash course and also watch my sessions. Are you guys getting it? Yeah. So you can definitely check out. You have 10 full tests and 10 part tests as part of the crash course, and you have the best teachers in India. You have very, very experienced teachers, and they all work day and night to make the content small for the crash course. We put our experienced teachers to help reduce the content to a very small, brief way, so that you guys can get the entire concept in a short while. So that is why the entire session is 120. So if you feel it's gonna help you, then guys, you should definitely go for this, because I feel test series is important. You should compete with students who are spread across the country, who are putting their best effort. Whenever someone joins a crash course, you will be more committed. You'll be more committed because you know you paid fees, you know your parents have taken that effort, and you respect it. You try to be more involved. Got it? So that way a crash course is going to be helpful. But if you guys are comfortable with YouTube, I'm totally fine with that. We will do our best to help you. So this is the link. I have shared it in the chat as well. You guys can click on it and use this coupon code SJCC. Or if you want the pro subscription, you can check out that message on the chat. Okay, so I think that clears everything. Now let's come back to this. Please do it, guys, everybody. Very good, very good. So if you are in 11th standard study, please do both exercise and example. But if you are in 12th, then only example should be good enough. You have a class from 12:30 a.m. Seriously? Okay. Who is that legend? Okay. Yes, Olivia, it will finish before 12:30. I don't know if people are taking classes at 12:30 at night. That is crazy, guys. That inspires me to take it further. Okay, so are you all done with this question? Did you all try this out? This is also a question from 2020 and it is... Okay, Olivia, no problem. This is also a question from 2020. Let's try to solve this. Please listen carefully, guys, all of you. The variance of the terms in an increasing AP. So can I say the terms are B1, B1 plus D, B1 plus 2D, and all the way up to B1 plus 10D. Are you guys okay with that? These are the terms. So can I say, very good Venisha, that's absolutely right. Can I say the variance of this is the same as variance of 0, D1, I'm sorry, D, 2D, 3D, and all the way up to 10D. Are you guys clear with that? Why? Because B1 is a constant which is added to every term. So if I subtract B1 from every term, still the variance will be same. Isn't that beautiful? That is the beauty of variance, guys. I hope you liked it. That is the beauty of variance. Okay. Now for this variance is laddu, na? What is variance? Variance is nothing but the square of everything addition. So it will be d square into 1 plus 4 plus 9 up to 100. By how many data is there? I think there are 11 terms, right? So divided by 11 minus the sum of all of this. So d into 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 10 by 10, I'm sorry, by 11, the whole square. That's it. This is your answer. And it is given to be 90. So the variance is 90. Okay. So 90 into 11. So 90 is equal to d square into, how much is this? 10 into 11 into 21 by 11 minus, it will be d square into, it will be 10 into 11 by 11 whole square, isn't it? 10 into 11 by 2, the whole square. Are you all clear with it? Everybody? Everybody is clear with that, guys? All of you? So that is very easy. You guys can calculate it. So 90 is equal to how much? 210 d square minus, so I can cancel it off. It will be 5 and this will be 1. So that will be 25, right? Is that correct, guys? Everybody? Any questions that you have, please let me know. Are you all clear with it? Yes? By 6 will be here. So you'll have 90 is equal to 10d square. So d square is equal to 9. So d should be 3. Understood? It will be by 6, na? Because the formula is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Yes, yes, yes. You are right. Yes, Shivam. Thank you. Yes, Satyam. Satyam Saurav is absolutely right. Velumani Kumaravel. Absolutely you can. 1 year is a long time. You definitely can. Only thing is you need to be in a system. You need to be in an organized setup. You cannot rely only on YouTube. Guys, that is not safe. That is not safe. You need to be a part of a system because you need to test yourself. You need to write assignments. You need to write tests. That comes only when you are part of a system. Got it? Can't we take -3? No, Venisha, because they said increasing arithmetic progression. When I say increasing arithmetic progression, your D should be positive. Got it? Are you clear with that? When I say an increasing arithmetic progression, your D should be positive. Are you all fine with that? Yes, Olivia, that's awesome. Even I am really waiting for it so that we guys can have a great time. What happened to Kiran? Kiran, are you here? Mr. Pankaj, where are you, man? So shall we move forward? So here we go. This is the next question. I want all of you to try it out. Please do it, guys. Quickly. Come on. We are halfway through and we have a lot of good stuff to cover. So please show some enthusiasm. Are you guys still active? How many of you are awake? How many of you are still awake? Are you guys asleep? Can you guys let me know in the chat? So let me know how is the Josh people. Are you excited? Are you all noting down the good stuff you're learning? Satyam Saurav is half asleep. Okay, great. Anisha is here. Very good, Anisha. Jayanti, brilliant. Harshavardhani is also here. Very good. So we have a lot of students silently watching. Ninjas are always silent. That is great. Okay, brilliant guys. Hi Shrivani, welcome. So guys, try to solve this and I will teach you how to do this. So this is the latest recent year question. Okay, this is the latest recent year question. So please try to do this, guys, all of you. Thank you, Chaitanya. I'm so glad you're enjoying it, man. Velumani, it is not just about IIT, man. You need to just have an open attitude, be curious, learn stuff, enjoy the process. That is what I would suggest. Okay. Don't put the final goal as IIT. The final goal is for you to become a better person. You have to enjoy science. You have to become a good guy. So all that is important. This is part of the process. This is a byproduct. Got it? The main product is to become better as a human, enjoy science, and then enjoy the journey. Clear? So let's come back to this and we will see how to solve this. Everybody please listen carefully, guys. Okay. So first of all, what I'll do is I will write x. X is nothing but the midpoint of these two. You guys know that. 15, 25, and this is going to be 35. I'm sure everybody is aware of that. And the frequency is going to be 2x and 2. That is how we treat group data, right? Okay, that is how we treat group data. I hope you guys are clear with that. Yes, very, very good morning, guys. So we have successfully crossed midnight and we are still going strong. Yes, yes, Harshavatini, that's awesome. Brilliant, guys. So now, what is variance? Variance is equal to sigma fi xi square by sigma fi minus, what will I have? Mean square. What is the mean? The mean is nothing but, can I calculate it separately? It is nothing but sigma fi xi by sigma fi. So that will be 15 into 2, 30, plus 25 into x, 25x, plus 35 into 2, 70, by, you will have 2 plus x plus 2, which will be 4 plus x. So what will that be? That will be 100 plus 25x by 4 plus x. And don't you guys think this will cancel and it will be 25? So the mean is nothing but 25. Did you guys see that? Everybody? Did you guys see that? Everybody, did you all understand it? Okay, so what is the variance now? The variance is going to be sigma fi xi square. So let's try to write it down. Okay, so this is going to be fi 2 into 15 square. So 2 into 225 plus x into 625. So 625x plus 2 into 35 square. That will be 2 into 1225 divided by, you will have 25 plus x. I'm sorry, 2 plus 2 plus x, which will be 4 plus x. And then you'll have minus of 25 square. So you'll have minus of 25 square. So let me erase it now. Let me erase this. So what is my variance? My variance is 50, which is equal to 2 into 225 is 450. 450 plus 625x. And then you have plus 2450 by 4 plus x minus 625. That's it. Over. This is what I have to solve. Everything else I can remove. Are you all clear with it? Exactly. I can take 25 common and cancel it out. So it will be 2 is equal to 25 will go how many times? 18 times plus 25x plus 25 if it goes here. How many times? 9 times. And then 298 minus 25 and by 4 plus x. Now can you guys solve for x? Can you guys solve for x? Please do that and tell me what is the answer. Can you guys solve for x and tell me what is the answer? Hi Afrin, welcome. Hi Sri Charan. So x is equal to 4. So Chaitanya says 4. So I think that should be the answer. Everybody clear with that? Any doubts? Yes. I do teach on Vedantu, man. Welcome, Rasul. Aksa Shaikh, welcome. Nice to see you. What effect will 4 times JEE Main have on cutoffs? So Chaitanya, it is too early to predict that, man. I feel the level of exam will be slightly harder, but nothing more than that. Okay? I'm doing great, Aksa. Nice to see you. Welcome. Hi, Rabiat, Malika, welcome. So everybody got this? Shall I move forward, guys? Nice question, na? A unique type of question which was asked in the year 2020. So you have to be ready for it. Very good, Anisha. That's awesome. Science Priya has also got it. So guys, when you solve it, you will get the answer as 4. Shall we move ahead, everybody? Brilliant job, guys. So let us move forward now and go to the next one. So x is equal to 4 is the answer. So let's proceed. Now this is the next question. Guys, this is a wonderful question. This is gonna be a bit lengthy. Sri Charan, that's absolutely right. Very good, very good. Sri Charan had got it first as 4. Very good. NCERT previous year's question or exemplar say JEE में कितना आएंगे? So guys, if you do only NCERT and if you do exemplar, you have a chance to score around, I would say 60 or 50 to 60, not more than that. If you want to grow more than that, you need to really work a lot harder by solving previous year's JEE questions. Okay? Thank you, Rasul. That means a lot, man. Definitely. That is so nice of you. We will definitely need your help to grow this channel. So definitely spread it to a lot of people and let people know that we are here. Okay? Chaitanya, don't worry, man. That also we have planned sessions for you. So tomorrow night I'm taking KVPY essay. Try to solve previous year's questions, Chaitanya. That is very important. Don't you feel sleepy? You guys keep me awake. So that encourages me to do well. So guys, we will try to solve this question. These are all very important concepts. That is why I'm here to help you. So please listen carefully. What do we have here? We have 5 students who have an average height of 150 and variance is equal to 18. So can I say average height is equal to 150 and there are 5 students. So variance is equal to, can I say sigma xi square by 5 minus 150 whole square? Do you guys agree with me on that? Very good, Olivia. Amazing, amazing. Hasib, welcome Hasib. So nice to have you here. Okay, so what is your sigma xi square? It is going to be 150 square plus 18 into 5. Don't you all agree? That is your sigma xi square. Are you all clear with that? How much will that be? Can you guys quickly calculate it? So it will be 5 times of 22500 plus 18. So it will be 22518 into 5. That is equal to sigma xi square. Are you all clear with it? Are you all clear with it, guys? Brilliant. So now what is happening? There is one new boy whose height is 156 and this guy joins this class. Now we have to find the new variance. So what will be the new variance? What will be the new variance? Can you guys help me with that? Sigma square is 112590. Okay. Sigma xi square is equal to 112590. I hope you guys remember these values. Very good, Anisha. That's brilliant. That is brilliant. So now the new variance new is equal to sigma xi square by 6 plus, minus the new mean. The new mean will be 150 sigma xi by 6 whole square. Do you all agree? Now sigma xi square for the first 5 height will be 112590 and on top of that we are adding this boy. We are adding this boy divided by 6 minus of, we will have, already we know the height of 5 students which is going to be 5 into 150. 5 into 150, that is the summation of all the height plus the new student, 156 divided by 6 the whole square. Now that is your new variance. You guys can find it. Use a calculator and I think it will come out to be 20. I think it will come out to be 20. Did you all like it? How many of you understood it completely? This was a brilliant question. Okay, this was a brilliant question. It was asked in the year 2019. Okay. Very good, Priyanshi Sharma. I'm so happy that you guys have got it. Yes. Chaitanya, I think you have virtual calculator. That's why they gave this. Otherwise, JEE Main never asked calculation like this. Yes, you have a virtual calculator on your screen. So you can use it to find out these square values. Okay, so don't worry about it. Got it? Otherwise, it's impossible to calculate this very fast. It will take a lot of time. Okay, so shall we move forward, guys? Are you all ready? Did you all like it? Brilliant, brilliant. So let us proceed and have a look at the next question which I have for you, which is on standard deviation. Please do it. I want everybody to try it out. I'm trying to cover all possibilities of statistics. Whatever area questions can come, I'm trying to cover it. So guys, please try to solve it so that you can get those 4 marks in your JEE Mains exam. Got it? So please ensure you are making notes of this session. Tell your friends to watch it and also take notes, because this can help you get 4 marks in 2021 examination, guaranteed. Okay? Yes, Aksa, take care. It is a very nice question. Exactly, Shri Charan, you are right. Okay, everybody please do it, guys. So the standard deviation of the numbers is given to be 3.5. Then which of the following is true? You guys have to solve this. So first of all, when I find standard deviation, I'll first figure out variance. So variance is going to be what? Variance is going to be standard deviation whole square, which will be 3.5, which will be 7 by 2 whole square. And that is equal to what? That is equal to sigma xi square by n minus x bar square. So I will have 49 by 4 is equal to sigma xi square is 2 square, which is 4, plus 3 square 9, plus a square plus 121 by 4 minus the average of all of them. Average is nothing but 16 plus a by 4 the whole square. Isn't that correct? Are you all clear with that, guys? Very simple. Now multiply 4, you will get 49 is equal to 4 plus 9 plus 121 is how much? 134 plus a square. 134 plus a square minus, you will have 16 plus a the whole square by 4. Are you guys clear? So can you solve this and get the expression? Very simple. So just solve it and get the expression. You will get one of the options. As simple as that. I didn't do anything fancy over here. Aksa, the session will go for maybe 5-10 minutes more. Hi Pramesh, welcome man. Nice to see you over here. Guys, are you all clear with this? Any doubts or any questions you want to ask me? Everybody cool with it? So shall I proceed? Everybody, please let me know. Very good, Chaitanya. That's brilliant, man. Very good, Aksa. That's super awesome. So when you solve this, you will get one of the options. Let me check it. I think it is option C. Yes, Shrivani, you are right. So Shrivani, you are absolutely right. The answer was option C. Okay, so it is option C. So guys, we are coming to the last property of variance. I have no idea, Venisha. I'm sorry for that. I have no idea why that happened. So now guys, please look at the properties of variance. When you add a constant to all the terms, the variance will remain the same. When you multiply a constant to all the terms, the variance will become c square times the original variance. If you add ax plus b to every term, for example, if I have the terms as, let's say the terms are x1, x2, x3 till xn. Now first thing says, if I have x1 plus c, x2 plus c, x3 plus c, and all the way up to xn plus c, then these two will have the same variance. Do you all understand that? Because variance does not depend on adding a constant or subtracting a constant. Are you all clear with that? Are you all clear with that? Variance does not depend on adding a constant or subtracting a constant. That is the first point. Now what is the second point saying? The second point says if you have x1, x2 and all the way up to xn, and if you are multiplying by c, if you are multiplying everything by c, then if this variance is v, then this variance will be c square v. That is the second property. Are you all clear with that? Exactly, Kirito. The third property is just common sense from these two. So a into x means a square plus b does not matter, na? Because variance of ax plus b is equal to variance of ax. Why? Because this is a constant, I really don't care about it. So that is equal to, variance of ax is equal to a square times variance of x. That's it, over. As simple as that. Are you all clear? Guys, these are all wonderful properties, guys. Please make sure you're noting them down. Okay, these can get you marks. I hope you know how serious these stuff are. So I would rate it important. Please do it. Last question, guys. This is the last one. So here we go. The last one for the day. And with this, we are done with this super awesome, super lengthy session. Yes, Sonal, definitely. But guys, like I said, you have to spread the word and let people know so that we can have more fun and we can learn together. So that help you guys have to do. Like I said, students have that power. You guys can make anything go viral, anything go, overboard. So that can be done from your side. Very good, Varshit. I'm so happy that you guys are learning a lot. So please try to solve this question. This will be the last one. And this is also a recent year question, guys. It was asked in the year 2020. Exactly, Chaitanya. That's absolutely true. Okay, Jumana, no problem. But Jumana, please check out this session because this session is very important. Jumana, if you're writing JEE this year, you please have to check this recording because it is gonna help you a lot. It will definitely give you the 4 marks. I have discussed almost everything from statistics from scratch, which can definitely come up in your exam. Okay? Thank you, Hasib. That's awesome, man. So guys, what do we have over here? So we have y is equal to ax plus b. Got it? And what is x? X is going to be 1 to 17. So here you can have 1 to 17. Got it? So the mean of y is equal to a into x mean plus b. That's correct. So mean of y is how much? Mean of y is 17. So 17 is equal to a into x mean. So mean of 1 to 17 is what? 1 plus 2 plus 3 till 17 by 17. That will be how much? I think 9, right? Because 17 into 18 by 2 into 17. So 17 cancel. 18 by 2 is 9. So it will be 9a plus b. So this is one relation from the first mean condition. What is the variance of y? So guys, y is equal to ax plus b. So can I say variance of y is equal to a square into variance of x? Are you guys clear with that? Did I just teach you this? If you knew this property, you would have got 4 marks in 2020. You would have got 4 marks in 2020. Isn't that amazing? That is why these classes are very important. That is why I keep emphasizing that you guys should attend these sessions wherever we discuss previous year questions. So now variance of y is what? 216. 216 is equal to a square into variance of x. So variance of x you need to find out. Like how we found out mean. Mean of x is 9. So variance of x is how much? Sigma xi square by 17 minus mean, that is x bar square. X bar we just found out it was 9. So it will be 9 square. What is sigma xi square? 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square till 17 square. So that will be 17 into 18 into 35 divided by 6 minus 81. So that will be how much? Can you guys tell me that value? And plug it over there. You guys will get the answer. Okay, and you have 17 also. So it is going to be 105 minus 81. So it will be 24. So a square into 24 is equal to 216. So a square is equal to 9. So a square equal to 9. So a should be 3. Why should a be 3? Because a is positive. Okay, a is equal to 3. So if I put a equal to 3, I'll get b is equal to minus 10. So a is 3, b is minus 10. So a plus b is minus 7. Over. Got it? Are you all clear with it, guys? Isn't it awesome? Are you all able to follow that? So this is the way you solve it, and this is the way you arrive at your answer. I hope you guys are all clear. Okay. So guys, yes, we are all done. Thank you. You guys are amazing. So that is what makes me come up with such wonderful sessions at night. I'm sure we'll keep doing this because it's working amazing. So we are done with almost everything that I brought for you. Finally, I'm so happy because I planned out a lot of questions, good ones to cover everything, and I've done that. So guys, please make sure you note it down and go through them. Yes, Manju, I'll do that. And hi gamer, welcome man. We are almost done with it. Yes, Harshavardhini. Thank you, Chaitanya. So guys, if you all like this and if you want to be a part of an organized course, which I always recommend, please check out the crash course. So we will be coming up with amazing crash courses for you, and I'm going to give you the coupon code. If you take this coupon code and apply, you will get 2000 rupees discount. And guys, this 8000 is for next May. You have January, February, March, April, May. Till May you will have access. So 5 months for 8000 is almost nothing, guys. It's almost nothing. Okay, so please check it out, and if you feel it's worth it, go for it. I would love to see you in class. So this is a Telegram group, and if you want to be a part of it, click on the link in the description. And as always, guys, the most important help, in case you can't join the crash courses or in case you can't be a part of Vedantu's Pro subscription now, the only greatest help you can do for us is to subscribe, spread the word, and share it to all your friends. Okay? Yes, Jay Ajinkya will come up with amazing things. Thank you, Sri Ivani. Welcome. So we'll meet again today at 4 p.m. So guys, take care. All the very best. Keep working hard and see you soon again. Bye-bye.